Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to for group meeting 6. This is our last video for the LAX2069 news headlines. So this is our virtual format. So before that, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is MUHAMAD Shafiq bin Samsudin, and my matric number is J46008. Then I'm from Bachelor Agriculture Science. So next, Omar.
Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. And my name is Omar SHAHAKI bin Muhammad Ghazali, and my matrix number is J46013. So I'm also from Bachelor of Agriculture Science. So you next.
Me?
Yeah,
Next.
Yeah.
next and next.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Omar. Hi, everyone. Thanks again for inviting me to join this Zoom meeting. Okay. My name is Nicholas Jati. My matric number is J46016. I am from Sarawak, student of Agriculture Science at Universiti Putra Malaysia, Sedang Selangor. We are group 4, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's all from me for my introduction. Thank you.
So next, Nazmi.
Thank you, Mr. Nicholas. So, good evening and assalamualaikum everybody. My name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Nordin. My matrix number is J45967. That's all.
Okay, thank you everyone. So our for fifth team, so we will discuss about the global warming. So a lot of we can read maybe a media social, maybe in the Facebook, or maybe we can read some part of article about the global warming. Actually, the first thing is about global warming come from the climate change. Climate change refer to the significant and long-term change in the global climates. So the global climate is a connect system of sun, earth, and ocean, wind, rain, snow, forest, desert, and savanna, and everything people do. The climate of place can describe is a rainfall, change of temperature during the year, and so on. Actually, what is a global warming? Global warming is the slow increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere because of increase of amount of energy, or we can say energy is heat, striking the Earth from the sun, being trapped in the atmosphere and radiate out into the space. So the Earth atmosphere has always act like greenhouse to capture the sun heat, ensure that Earth has enjoy a temperature that permit the emerge of life form as we know them, including of human. There's some introduction of global warmings. So in the modern society, global warming is one of the most serious problem cause unrest all over the world. Global warming also has been blamed for host of recent worldwide issues such as of increase of number and severity of hurricane and maybe at Indonesia, and also the highest temperature right now in Malaysia and drought in the African country and various others of environmental change. So maybe I would like to ask Nazmi, maybe you have opinion on behalf of your side.
Okay. So, thank you, Mr. Khairul, and everybody else. Glad to have you all here today. So, this is a very serious issue, as because it is real and is happening everywhere in the world. But the problem here with global warming is for people to trust it and not trust it. Some people trust and some people not trust it. So the main point for me is it is not something for you to trust or not. It is something for you to understand. So when you understand, then you believe and trust this issue is real. So I think that's a really important that we should know that it is an actual thing that happening. So for example, we can see in my area in Kuala Lumpur, suppose we have mid and light rain all the year, and also quite a warm temperature. But as for now, as for 2021, what happened is we have a sudden cloud change. We have a sudden thunderstorm, sudden flash flood, which is not supposed to be happening in recent years. So because I've lived here for all my life, and I know that this is not the climate that should happen in this time of the year. So why this is happening is because it is because of the global warming thing. It's disrupt everything and also disrupt the temperature that happens around us. So as for now also from your place, Mr. Omar Shaiki in Pahang, and also Mr. Nicholas Jati place in Sarawak, and also for your place, Mr. Khairul in Kedah, you have also seen that the things change surround you. So for me, when we understand this global warming thing, this global warming issue, and we relate it to our daily life and our culture, then we know that this is a thing that happens through our life. So that's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Nazmi. There is what Nazmi raised issue about the temperature. For the next, so Mr. Omar, so what are your opinion about the global warming?
Okay, thank you for all of you guys. So Nazmi and also Cairo was told a lot of thing or view about the global warming. So so we know that the effect of global warming is the climate change. So cause of rising maximum and minimum temperature, rising sea level, heavy rain, earthquake, and many big issues. So, but I like to talking about how how we can stop the global warming. How? Because actually, healing the planet start actually in our garage or our kitchen and also our dining room table. So we can start from there. So for me, the most important thing to do is, um, uh, I mean, we need to doing something that the single biggest way you can make an impact on global climate change. The first, the important is for me is speak up. Means you guys show your concern and send message that you care about the warming. So this is the important thing. So you need to speak up because I tell you guys, um, we need doing that power our home with renewable energy, weatherize, invest in energy efficiency. I mean, efficient appliances, also reduce water waste. So that's all the most important that we need to try to do. Start from our home to make sure that this issue we can solve together. So this is from me. Maybe Nick, you have something uh, to share with us. Thank you.
Yeah, Nick.
What a nice sharing, Mr. Omar. Thank you for your sharing. In my opinion, in general, global warming is gradual increase of world temperature. Same like Mr. Khairul said with us. It will affect the greenhouse. If the greenhouse effect is gradual warming on air around the earth as a result of heat being trapped by environmental pollution. The effect of global warming may be serious and dangerous. It is predicted that by the midway through the next century, world temperature may rise by as much as negative degrees Celsius. This is greatly reduce mankind's ability to grow food and damage wildlife and wilderness. Try to imagine if our country is experiencing global warming. We have 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter, what will happen to our agriculture sector, especially our major crop, paddy? We will suffer from the shortage of staple foods. This will cause our government to import more rice from other countries. Other than that, our oil farm industry also will get effect from it. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, agree.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I hope all around the world, especially intergovernmental panel on climate change, IPCC, will take seriously this matter. I hope we from the especially Mr. Khairul and Mr. Omar, we introduce our farmers to use a good agriculture. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nicholas. Actually, both all of us have a point of view. So I'm agree with the Nicholas and agree with Omar and also with the Nazmi. All about the global warming is we need to make a concern and make a priority to protect our world. So this is our last video and our last meeting. So I hope all the from the first week until right now is all a lot of discussion we have made, and a lot of we take all information is gathered from the article, paper and other source can prove that our topic is very important thing. That's all from us. Thank you very much, and this is the last video. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Stay safe, guys. Stay
Bye.
safe.
Stay
Stay
safe.
safe.
Don't
Bye.
forget to vaccine.